SSS member ka? May contribution ka? Alam mo ba na may hidden program ang SSS? WISP Plus, Workers Investment and Savings Program. Voluntary savings, 6.87% return, tax-free, government-backed. Pero hindi mo alam. 500 pesos minimum lang, flexible contributions, retirement fund. Kahapon, Pag-ibig MP2, 7.1%. Ngayon, SSS WISP Plus, 6.87%. May isa pa pala. At sa video na to, ipapakita ko kung paano. Kasi alam mo, milyong Pilipino, SSS members. Pero konti lang ang nakakaadam ng WISP Plus. Bakit? Hindi kasi sinasabi, hindi ina-advertise. Hidden. Pero, available. Para sa'yo. Kaya panoorin mo. Bakit hindi ko alam to? Valid question. Millions of SSS members pero konti lang nakakaalam ng WISP Plus. Reason 1, hindi sinasabi ng HR. Pag nag-start ka sa work, SSS registration, basic info lang. Contribution, SSS ID, benefits, loan, tapos na. WISP Plus, hindi na nababanggit. Kasi busy, kasi basic lang ang training, kasi voluntary lang naman. Reason 2, SSS mismo. Quiet lang. Walang ads, walang promotion, walang announcement sa workplace. Nandun lang sa website. Small section. Hindi mo makikita unless nagre-research ka. Reason 3, ikaw naman, di ka nagre-research. Busy ka. Work, family, buhay. Alam mo yung basic SSS benefits. Okay na yan. Voluntary naman yung WISP Plus. Hindi required. Kaya, hindi mo priority malaman. Result? Ilang taon ka ng SSS member, pero ngayon mo lang nalaman. Sana sinabi sa akin dati. Oo nga, dapat sinabi. Pero hindi. Kaya ngayon, ako na magsasabi sa'yo. Ano ba talaga ang WISP Plus? Okay, breakdown. Regular SSS. Mandatory. Lahat ng employees, monthly contributions. Basic benefits. Sickness, maternity, death, retirement pension. Yan yung alam mo. WISP, Mandatory Provident Fund. Started January 2021. Automatic to if salary mo more than 20,000 pesos. Additional Retirement Fund. On top of regular SSS. Kaltas sa sweldo mo, employer may share din. Hindi mo choice to. Automatic. 5.33% return in 2023. Okay na yan. Pero mandatory lang siya if more than 20k salary mo. WISP Plus. Voluntary. Started 2022. Ito yung focus natin. Voluntary. Ikaw magde-decide if magjo-join ka. Anyone can join. Kahit below 20k salary mo, kahit self-employed, kahit OFW, kahit voluntary SSS member. Basta may SSS contribution ka lang, pwede ka na mag-WISP Plus. Ikaw bahala kung magkano. 500 pesos minimum? Walang maximum. Flexible. Anytime ka pwede mag-add. Return rate 2023? 6.87%. Higher than mandatory WISP na 5.33%. Higher than bank na 0.25%. Tax-free pa. Government-backed. SSS ang nagmamanage. Professional investment. Safe. Purpose? Retirement fund. Build your pension. Supplement your SSS retirement. Additional security when you're old. Pwede ka pang mag-both. WISP, if qualified, plus WISP plus voluntary. Mas malaki retirement fund mo. Simple lang. Regular SSS, basic. WISP, if more than 20K salary, mandatory. WISP plus, kahit sino, voluntary. At ito yung available sa'yo. WISP plus, ikaw lang ang hindi nakakaalam. Pero ngayon, alam mo na. Ito na yung math. WISP plus computation. 1,000 pesos per month, 6.87% annual return. Year 5, 60,000 pesos contributed, 71,890 pesos total. Earnings, 11,890 pesos. Okay lang yan. Small pa. Year 10, 120,000 pesos contributed, 169,248 pesos total. Earnings, 49,248 pesos. Lumalaki na. Year 15, 180,000 pesos contributed, 300,535 pesos total. Earnings, 120,535 pesos. 300K na yan. Year 20, 240,000 pesos contributed, 476,952 pesos total. Earnings, 236,952 pesos. Almost 500K na yan. Year 30, 360,000 pesos contributed, 1,019,467 pesos total. Earnings, 659,467 pesos. Milyonaryo sa retirement. 1,000 pesos per month lang. 30 years, 1 million. Pero ito yung interesting. Different scenarios. 500 pesos per month times 35 years, 605,890 pesos. 2,000 pesos per month times 25 years, 1,249,770 pesos. 3,000 pesos per month times 20 years, 1,255,056 pesos. Maraming ways. Depende sa age mo, budget mo, target retirement age mo. Pero yung point, start early, mas malaki. Start late, kailangan mas malaki contribution. At ito yung power move. Combination. MP2 plus WISP plus. 2,000 pesos per month sa MP2, 7.1%. 1,000 pesos per month sa WISP plus, 6.87%. Total, 3,000 pesos per month. After 20 years, MP2, 1,029,386 pesos. WISP plus, 476,952 pesos. Combined, 1,506,338 pesos. 1.5 million pesos. Diversified. Both government-backed. Safe. Tax-free. Yan yung strategy. Hindi lang isa, dalawa. MP2 for midterm cycles, WISP Plus for retirement. Both working for you. At alam mo yung best part? Automatic mo na almost yung retirement fund mo. Regular SSS pension mo, plus WISP if qualified, plus WISP Plus voluntary mo, plus MP2 if may maturity na. Retirement mo, secured. Hindi ka pabigat sa anak mo, hindi ka mahihirap sa old age. Kasi nagplan ka, nag-start ka, nag-invest ka sa government programs. Safe, sigurado, tax-free. Yan yung power ng alam mo yung available programs.
Okay, convinced ako sa math. Pero bakit WISP Plus specifically? Good question. Tingnan natin yung benefits. Benefit 1, 6.87% return. 2023 actual performance. Higher than bank na 0.25%. Higher than mandatory WISP na 5.33%. Consistent government rate, 6 to 7% average. Benefit 2, tax-free. Yung earnings mo, walang tax. Full amount makukuha mo. Government benefit yan. Benefit 3, government-backed. SSS ang nagmamanage. Professional fund managers. Regulated by law. Safe, secure. 44 years na ang SSS tumatakal, hindi tumatakbo. Benefit 4, flexible. 500 peso minimum lang. Walang maximum. Anytime ka pwedeng mag-add. Monthly, quarterly, annually, ikaw bahala. May emergency ka this month? Okay lang, skip mo. May extra? Add ka ng more. Flexible. Benefit 5, accessible. Kahit sino. Employed, self-employed, OFW, voluntary SSS member. Basta may SSS ka, pwede ka. Benefit 6, retirement security. Alam mo yung may peace of mind na retirement mo may pera ka? Hindi ka pabigat, hindi ka maghihirap, may kaya ka pa. Yan yung value ng WISP Plus. Benefit 7, easy to monitor. My.SSS account mo, real-time makikita mo balance mo. Transparent, may records, may history. Benefit 8, professional management. Hindi mo kailangan mag-decide saan i-invest. SSS na bahala. Government bonds, corporate investments, diversified. Ikaw, mag-contribute ka lang. They handle the rest. Compare mo sa iba. Bank, 0.25%. Taxable, walang growth. Private investment, risky, may bayad, walang guarantee. WISP Plus, 6.87%. Tax-free, government-backed. Anong mas safe? Anong mas consistent? Anong mas accessible? WISP Plus. Kaya kung may SSS ka, mag-WISP Plus ka. Hindi yan scam, hindi yan risky. Government program to. Para sa retirement mo, para sa peace of mind mo. Papaano mag-enroll? Madali lang, 5 to 10 minutes lang to. Via my.sss account. Step 1. Go to www.sss.gov.ph. Step 2. Click my.sss. Log in if may account ka na. If wala pa, register muna. Need mo SSS number, email, password. Step 3. Once logged in, look for My SSS Pension Booster. FYI, WISP Plus is now rebranded as My SSS Pension Booster. Click yan. Step 4. Terms and conditions. Read, accept. Step 5. Submit enrollment. Success message. You are now enrolled. Email confirmation. Payment reference number generated. Done. Enrolled ka na. Step 6. Start contributing. Payment options. Option 1. Online via my.sss. Log in. Go to payment section.
Enter amount, 500 peso minimum. Pay via credit card or online banking. Done. Option 2. GCash or Maya. Open app. Go to Bills Payment or Pay Bills. Search SSS. Select SSS Contribution. Enter PRN or Payment Reference Number. Enter amount. Pay. Done. Option 3. Bayad Centers or Banks. Visit any Bayad Center, 7-Eleven or bank. Tell them SSS WISP Plus or My SSS Pension Booster. Give your SSS number or PRN. Pay amount. Get receipt. Done. Option 4. SSS Branch. Visit nearest SSS office. Go to payment counter. Tell them amount mo. Pay. Get receipt. Maraming options. Choose kung anong convenient sa'yo. Magkano? Ikaw bahala. 500 peso minimum. Walang maximum. Monthly? Pwede. Quarterly? Pwede. One-time big amount? Pwede din. Flexible. At remember, once enrolled ka na, hanggang buhay mo na yan. Hanggat may SSS contribution ka, pwede ka mag-add sa WISP Plus. Retirement fund mo? Growing. Kaya mag-enroll ka. Today. Now. 5 minutes lang enrollment. Lifetime benefit.
Pakinggan mo. Kahapon, Pag-ibig MP2. 7.1% return. 1 million pesos? Possible. Ngayon, SSS WISP Plus. 6.87% return. 1 million pesos? Possible. Dalawa na yan. Government programs. Safe. Tax-free. Sigurado. Combination? MP2, 2,000 pesos per month. WISP Plus, 1,000 pesos per month. 20 years. 1.5 million pesos. Diversified. Both government-backed. Retirement secured. Tanong lang, mag-e-enroll ka ba? Kasi alam mo, information lang to. Useless kung hindi ka kikilos. MP2, 5 minutes enrollment. WISP Plus, 5 minutes enrollment. 10 minutes total. Lifetime benefit. Worth it ba? Oo. Kaya challenge ko sa'yo. After this video, mag-enroll ka. Kahit isa lang muna. MP2 or WISP Plus. Basta start. Kasi yung pinakamabigat na step, yung first step. Pag nag-start ka na, momentum na yan. At alam mo ba, may isa pa. Bukas, video number 3. Government program din. Akala mo kailangan employed ka para may benefit. Mali. PhilHealth. Kahit walang trabaho ka, may PhilHealth ka pa rin. Voluntary member. 500 pesos per month. Hospital bills? Covered. Kahit walang employer. Isa pa yan bukas. Complete Trilogy. MP2, WISP Plus, PhilHealth. Government programs na hindi mo alam. O alam mo, pero hindi mo ginagamit. Kaya, abangan mo. Ako nga pala si Ate Karen, at kung natulungan ka ng video na to, mag-subscribe, i-like, at i-click yung notification bell. Share mo to sa mga SSS members na kakilala mo, family, friends, workmates. Baka hindi nila alam ang WISP Plus. Baka makatulong ka sa retirement nila. At comment mo dito kung enrolled ka na sa WISP Plus or mag-e-enroll ka na. Gusto ko malaman. Hanggang sa susunod, start your WISP Plus journey. Ito si Ate Karen, caring for your retirement security.